So pagkadyaan, may mga libreng konsulta sila dapat. And
Yes.
kung meron silang mga libreng gamot or kahit yung mga maintenance medicines lang nila.
Yan ay dinidevelop pa natin sa ngayon, and I believe the Department of Health has a program for that together with the local government units. So mahalaga yung ating relationship with the LGUs at saka iba't ibang ahensya ng ating pamahalaan.
Okay, may mga programa po ba para sa pamamahala naman ng iba't ibang sakit, maging sa kanilang mental health issues? Dahil siyempre, yung mga nakakatanda natin ay medyo nagiging emotional na minsan.
Ay, hindi lang emotional minsan, sensitive pa yan. No, I would be a classic example of that. So, I live that So, ibig sabihin yan, yung kanilang mental well-being kailangan nating pangalagaan. So, sa ating community-based care centers, meron tayong mga activities like Indak, which is a kind of a dance, no, na pinupropose at ginagawa ng Institute for Dementia Care Asia. Kasi naniniwala tayo na dementia is going to be a problem. Like there is a projected 1.7 million Filipinos that will suffer dementia by 2030. So, ngayon pa lang, pinaghahandaan na natin yan. And of course, by them having social, socialization, yung tinatawag natin social prescribing, that actually boosts their morale and removes the feeling of isolation and depression.